Hello students, good morning to all. Welcome to maths class. See, in last classes we have learned about the what is variable, what is constant, what is an algebraic expression, and simplifications of the algebraic expression like addition, subtraction, and multiplication. Okay, these are all you learned it. Now here we are going to learn about the equation. What is an equation? First point is what is an equation? So equation here, see here, a statement of equality, a statement of equality of two algebraic expressions, equality of two algebraic expressions involving one or more variables is called an equation. An equation. Okay, understood? A statement of equality of two algebraic expressions involving one or more variables, is called an equation. Understood the statement? Here, a statement of equality of two expressions, two algebraic expressions involving one or more variables is called an equation. See here, 3x is one algebraic expression, 7y is another algebraic expression. Between them equality condition is there. A statement of equality, two algebraic expressions involving one or more variables is called an equation. Understood? A statement of equality of two algebraic expressions involving one or more variables is called an equation. So 7x plus y is equal to 7. Here this is also a statement of equality containing two or more variables. This is also an equation. Okay, got my point here? Two algebraic expressions, between them equality condition is there, and in those two algebraic expressions one or more variables are there. Two variables I used. Here if I use 7z, these are the three variables I used. 7x is equal to 5. Here only one variable I used. Okay. 8x plus y plus z is equal to 4. So is equal to 14. This is also one equation only. Okay. In this one three variables I used. Here three variables. Here one variable. Here two variables. Like that you can write anything. Okay, a statement of equality of two algebraic expressions involving one or more variables. One or more variables are there, then that is called as an equation. Okay, now we are going to discuss about in this equation there are different types of equations are there. In those different types I am going to introduce a linear equation. What is a linear equation? What is a linear equation? An equation of degree 1. Here, if I use an equation of degree 1 is called linear equation. Linear means 1. Okay, an equation of degree 1 is called a linear equation. An An equation of degree 1 is called as a linear equation. See here, example of the equation is 7x cube is equal to 2y square. This is an equation. Another one is 7x square is equal to 7x square plus 3y minus 5. This is also an equation. Minus 5 is equal to 0. This is also an equation. Okay. 2x square plus 3x plus 7 is equal to, this is also an equation. And another example is 5x plus 2y is equal to 7. This is also an equation. And next one is 8x is equal to 11. 8x is equal to 14 or something, anything. So these are all different equations. In this one, these equations has more than one power, means degree is more than one. So these are all only an equations. They have their own names: quadratic, cubic, biquadratic, all those things. Okay. Now I don't require all these quadratic, biquadratic in this topic. Now I want a linear equation. An equation whose degree 1 is called linear equation. An equation whose degree 1 is called linear equation. Here degree 3, here degree 2, here degree 2, here degree 1, here degree 1. So degree means the highest exponent among all the terms of the equation. Degree means degree of the equation means the highest exponent. Highest exponent. Okay, among all the terms. Okay. Sometimes you may find like this 3xy means here x and y two variables are between them product is there, so we have to add these exponents. 1 plus 1 2. 2 is the degree of this one. Okay, those are all you learned in algebraic expressions. Okay, what is degree also? Now, an equation whose degree 1 is called linear equation. An equation whose degree 1 is called linear equation. Is this a linear equation? No. Is this a linear equation? No. Is this a linear equation? No. Is this a linear equation? Yes, because here degree 1, here x power 1, here y power 1. Among these one, highest one is 1 only. So, linear equation it is. Okay, here also degree 1 only. Linear equation only. These two are called linear equations. These two are called linear equations. Understood? The statement, once again I am revising the definition here. A statement of equality. A statement of equality of two algebraic expressions involving one or more variables. One or more variables is called an equation. In that one, there are different types of equations you may find. Constant. Okay, different types of equations. In this one, these are all examples I wrote. Here, this equation degree is 3, this equation degree is 2, this equation degree is 2, and here degree 1, here degree 1. Among all these one, we don't discuss about this one in this class. Okay, now I am going to discuss about this one. So, among all these one, these two are degree 1 equations. So, these are called linear equations. These are called linear equation. These are called linear equation. What is a linear equation? An equation whose degree 1 is called linear equation. Understood? This is equation definition. Among these one, linear equation is separated. Now I discuss about the linear equation. Those who are required, please note down this one. Now, is it clear? What is an equation? A statement of equality of two algebraic expressions involving one or more variables. Means involving is nothing but a contains one or more variables is called an equation. Among those equations, there are different types of equations I wrote just now. Among those are all equations, an equation whose degree 1 is called a linear equation. This is a linear equation and this is also a linear equation. An equation whose degree 1 is called linear equation. Okay. So example is a 2x plus y is equal to 7 and 7x is equal to 40. These two are linear equations only. An equation whose degree 1, as per this definition, degree should be 1. This equation degree 1, this equation degree 1. So both are linear equations only. But in this first equation, I used two different variables x and y here. Whereas in second equation, only one variable only I used, that is x. Okay. So again in these linear equations, here this is a linear equation in two variables. Here I used two different variables. So this is called as a linear equation in two variables. Whereas here in this one, this is also linear equation, but here I used only one variable. So this is called as a linear equation in one variable. This is also called as a simple linear equation. Simple equation. This is called as a simple equation. We may call another name of this one is a simple equation. Both are linear only. But in this first case, I used two different variables. So this is called as a linear equation in two variables. Whereas this is a linear equation in one variable. Linear equation one variable also known as a simple equation or simple linear equation. Okay. This is not simple linear equation. This is only linear equation. Whereas this one is a simple equation. This is not simple equation. A simple equation means a linear equation which has only one variable. A linear equation which contains only one variable is called a simple equation. This is simple equation. Now your topic is simple equations or linear equations. Okay, linear equations means both will come. Whereas a simple equation means this one, simple linear equation this is. Okay, simple linear equation we will discuss now. Understood? So this is a linear equation in two variables. Linear equation in two variables. Whereas this is called as a linear equation in one variable. In one variable or else simple equation or else simple equation. Okay. Since this linear equation has contains two different variables, so it is called as a linear equation in two variables. Whereas this linear equation contains only one variable, so this is called as a linear equation in one variable or simple equation or simple equation. See here. See here, the general form of the linear equation in two variable. I discuss about only simple linear equation only. Simple equations are simple linear equations. A linear equation which contains only one variable. A linear equation or a mathematical equation. A linear equation which contains one variable is called simple equation. Is called a simple equation or simple linear equation. Simple equation or simple linear equation in variable x. The general form of the simple linear equation is the general form of simple linear equation. Simple equation is ax plus b is equal to 0, where a should not be 0. Why a should not be 0? If a becomes 0, this whole term becomes 0. That is only constant you will get. That is only constant. B is a constant, where a and b are any real coefficients. A and b are where a comma b are belongs to real numbers, any real numbers, and a should not be 0, and a should not be 0. A and b any real number it may be. Okay, since you will discuss about only integers, no, so that is the integers we will use here, but in higher classes a and b any real number it is. A and b are any real coefficients. In higher classes, regarding keeping in mind, keeping in view of higher classes, I am using a real number here. Okay, in this class you will learn about integers only now, so that a comma b are any integers they may use. In your books you may find integers. Than integers, real number set is the biggest set. So real number set I use here. Okay, any real number, a and b are any real numbers. Okay, these are the real question. And a should not be 0. A should not be 0. Understood? A linear equation which contains one variable is called a simple equation. The general form of simple equation is ax plus b is equal to 0, where a comma b are any two real coefficients. Here in your books you may find integers. A comma b belong to z also there may be. Okay, keep in view and for higher classes I am using a real coefficients. And a is not equal to 0. If a becomes 0, this whole equation becomes as a b is equal to 0. Constant it is. There is no variable. When there is no variable, how can you say that is a linear equation in one variable? You can't. So that a should not be 0. Okay, please note down this. Okay. Now I introduce about an equation first. After that, linear equation. In that linear equation, simple equation. What is, just recall it. What is that one? First one is a a what is that one? First equation. A statement of equality of two algebraic expressions involving one or more variables is called an equation. Okay. In that equation, an equation whose degree 1 is called linear equation. If the degree 1, any equation having a degree 1 is called as a linear equation. Just before this I gave an example also. Linear equation in 2 variables and linear equation in 1 variable. Okay. Linear equation in 2 variables later we learn. Now first simple equation. After that linear equation in 2 variables. So a linear equation which contains 1 variable is called as a simple equation. The general form of the simple equation is ax plus b is equal to 0, where a comma b are real quotients. Here sometimes you may find in your textbooks they are integers, and a is not equal to 0. If a becomes 0, then this equation becomes as a constant equation. This b is equal to 0. Okay, there is no variable now. When it is no variable, you can't say linear equation in 1 variable. Okay. So this is the linear equation definition I introduced. Keep it in mind. This definition. Try to understand this concept. Next, in next video, I'll discuss a little more what is solution, how to simplify all those things. Okay. Thank you.